What's going on, guys? It's Braden back with another video, and today is an exciting video because I'm going to be unboxing the new M1 MacBook Pro, which is right in this box. I just don't want to do any talking. Let's just get right into it. I've actually had this probably like 2.5 hours now, but I couldn't open it until right now. So let's do this. So, all right, there it is. Okay, let me get this out real quick. Oh, this is nice. This is super, super nice. Here, Ash, play with this. There you go. Okay, this is the box. So it has a nice picture of the MacBook Pro on the front with a great, great screensaver. This might be the one I choose. Who knows? This is the MacBook Pro M1 with 256 gigs of storage and 16 gigabytes of unified memory or RAM. I did only get the 256 gigabytes of storage because I use this. I'll move this over. I use this, which is an external drive by Western Digital, and it's USB-C 1 for the USB-C ports on here. And it's 2 terabytes, so I don't need a ton of storage on here. Let's get into this. Oh, okay. That's satisfying. All right. The cat is trying to play with my foot. Okay. Let's do this. Put it on the ground for it to play with, I guess. Okay. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. Let's do this. Okay. Come on. Come on. Oh, man. This is nice. Oh, it's out the top. All right, let's get this out. And I'll put it to the side. Okay, so everything else that comes with the box, there's some documentation. Let's see if there's Apple stickers in here. There are, and they're space gray, because the phones just come with the white Apple stickers. If you do choose to get a silver MacBook, they'll come, instead of the white stickers, they'll also come in silver instead of space gray. And then it comes with a power brick. Okay, so this just slides on here like this. Like that. All right, we'll put this to the side, and then it also comes with charging cable. Oh, super satisfying. Super duper satisfying. The sound is amazing. Let's do one more satisfying bit. Satisfying. So I'll show you guys the setup process. Okay, so I have two more things to unbox for you guys. They're the two dongles from Apple because, as you probably know, if you don't, new MacBooks only come with two USB-C ports and then a headphone jack on this side. I need more ports than that. I need an SD card reader, USB-A, HDMI, and all of that stuff. So these two will solve that problem for me. This one has a USB-C for charging only, an HDMI, and a USB-A cable. Take this out. This is the USB-C to SD card reader. That's what I have set up. And then going down, there's my screensaver, which is this. Which is really cool, I think. To buy this computer, if you are in college or in grade school, like high school, anything like that, you can get up to $100 off with a student discount, which is on Apple's website, and you can go there to buy your computer. And I also bought the Pro Apps Bundle for Education with this. So if you're a creator, like I am on YouTube, or you do music or anything, then the Pro Apps Bundle is really good for you because it will come with Logic Pro, Final Cut Pro, and 3 other softwares. Basically, if you don't know what these are, Logic Pro is a very high-end music production software by Apple, and Final Cut Pro is a very high-end video editing software from Apple. And normally it's $300 just for Final Cut, but with the student bundle for $200 you get Final Cut, Logic, my cat's up here. For $200 you get Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, and 3 other things, which I can show you. The touch bar, you can just go to these 3 icons, and then they're here. You get Main Stage, which is for live music, Final Cut Pro, Compressor, to compress your files, Motion to make custom graphics, then Logic Pro. I'm gonna open up Final Cut real quick. And it will be a bit slower the first time you open it up, but after that, it will open up super speedy. Continue. And this is Final Cut in here, but I don't have any video files in here. But yeah, let me open Logic for you guys too, so you can see that. So I have this. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this week's video. I do have so much more content planned with this MacBook, and I'm going on a little mini trip soon, so I'll make a vlog about that on my channel. But again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please smash that like button as hard as you can, and also comment down below on what content you would like to see me create, because that really helps me make videos that you guys like and enjoy to watch. But if you do like my videos and you do want to see more of them, then please subscribe to my channel. It's free, you don't have to pay. And also ring that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!